Hello again. Now it is time for step 1, lidar odometry. So let's create a trajectory from raw data. So lidar odometry step 1 looks like this. So shortly speaking, we process MANDEYE data that it is saved in folder. So we have to find data, raw data. We mark all data we have. We type open, and then we wait once data is indexed. This process is fully automatic, so what we can do during wait? First of all, we can see certain logs, the time, the calculations, what we have. But more important than this is that in the middle time of calculations, we can inspect data that they are saved in the preview folder. So during the calculations, some subset of data will be saved here, so we can use Cloud Compare to inspect if everything is okay. Imagine that you have very long session to process and something happened in the middle, so you can use this inspection to justify if everything is okay. These are not all data that they are collected, but it is some kind of subset. But it is fully sufficient for investigating if everything is okay in with our calculations. What you can see here, we have 4,946 chunks to process, and we are already almost 10%, so it will take a time. So I will show you the progress here, but I will stop recording, or I will pause recording and I will back to you within a second. Hello again. I had some comment from my colleague to increase the size of fonts. I hope now everything will be feasible. Okay, so what we have so far, we have around 2,000 of nodes that we calculated from 5,000. So let's take a look in Cloud Compare what we have so far. So let's find our data. Not this one. We process it here, so this is the preview. And let's take all our data and let's apply. I think it looks quite promising. So data is calculating very nice. I propose that we wait until everything is calculated. So I will make a short break. Hello again. We have now 3,000 nodes from 5,000. Again, let's take a look what we have so far. Let's apply all and let's take a look if our data looks promising. So our preview is very optimistic. It's very optimistic. Let's continue calculations and let's wait a moment. Okay, We are approaching final calculations. So let's wait a moment. Once we have all nodes calculated, we will continue. Almost there. Okay, now the data are processed and now they are saved and form session that I will describe within a second. Okay, so software is giving information that the data are saved into the folder and the total length of the trajectory is 500 meters. So let's make okay, and let's take a look what we have with the trajectory. Okay, this is our system. This is our trajectory. And we can say that we return almost to the same place. And let's take a look where data are saved. So our data are saved into the folder lidar odometry result. And inside we have session file. We have session file that organize all this data into a single trajectory that can be processed in step second. So let's go to the second step.